left to go have breakfast, but me and Ollie stayed. We are dog sitting. I'll show you guys Leica in a little bit, but we're about to make eggs, and we just got this little half carton of eggs. I think they literally cut it. Like, look at that. And then we are using, I can't believe it's not butter. And then we also got this brown bread from Cheesecake Factory. I mean, not from Cheesecake Factory, they still had it at Vaughn's, but I was so excited that they have brown bread, and it's like sliced bread. It's so good, you guys. Anywho, let's make some eggs. First things first, let's turn this on. Oh my god!
What?
How do you turn this on?
That's on.
That's it?
Yeah.
Desmudge? Desmudge butter?
A little more.
Eh?
Man's touch.
Now we're just gonna butter everything. Be good enough. Can you let me crack eggs?
Of course, I wanted to do that.
1 egg for you, 1 egg for me. Do you not know how to crack eggs?
Not with one hand. Wait, hold that.
Crack it on the stove.
I don't want to spill it on the stove.
Move.
Bro, you go first.
Like a pro. Boom. Time for a little bit of peppers. Come look at these eggs. They're alive.
I know.
And some salt. Time to scramble.
I'll clean this right now, right after we're done.
Thank you.
Your man's a chef.
Breakfast is laser. Comment down below and guess which is whose. Psst, this one's mine. Thanks for watching, Shirin. Hi, Leica. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, Judy. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? You're a good girl. So this is Leica. She's a husky. We are currently dog watching her while everybody's out at breakfast. And then once everybody gets back, we're gonna go kayaking and then hiking. Are you excited? Are you excited for hiking? Do you wanna go hiking? Do you wanna go hiking? Yeah? First time kayaking.
I'm doing all the work.
No, he's not. Like, we're literally working together, okay? Don't listen to him. But we keep turning into like this marsh. Hold on, let me show you guys. We just keep getting stuck right into this pile. It's so hard to get out of. And we are officially stuck.
We're gonna die here.
You said that at EDC too, and we survived and we're still
Barely.
here, so.
Barely.
Okay, look at all of this gross stuff in the water. That's disgusting. Like, you know the thing at the end of kombucha? That's what that kind of looks like. You guys, look in the distance. I just found BB-8. This is as close as we're getting to BB-8. We are now 30 minutes in, and we gotta go back all the way down there. Ollie's been doing a really good job of stopping the boat and maneuvering it back to the right direction whenever we get stuck. So, shout out Ollie.
I'm Ollie.
Really? I had no idea.
Shout out me.
I thought you were like Steve.
I'll splash you right now.
You already did. Oh, you guys, he got me so wet. I literally
Actually,
feel like I peed
This time,
myself.
do it on purpose.
Please no. Look how soaked I am. We just finished. My whole sleeve is wet. My entire leggings are wet. All of me is just soaking wet. But worth it. It was super fun. Leica, how's your walk? How was your walk?
Come here. Good dog. Good dog.
Bye, Leica.
Oh, that was...
Say we should have a communal water and I'll drink from it. Nah, I'm just
Alright, finalize your orders.
Guys, I don't know what I'm
I'll try the thing.
Which one do you want?
Shirin, try
Let me have a bite of that. You want some of this?
This place has all the candy in the world.
Bro, let's just get a pound of fudge for everyone.
I'm getting one of everything else.
Good morning! So we're trying to get some drone footage, but we are struggling. Trying to switch up the lens right now and try flying it out again. Look at these videographers at work.
Serious.
And
Delete that. Cut that.
Party foul.
Girl. Like, what is that? What is that? What is that? What is that?
Round 2. Do we got this or not?
We're just gonna go up.
So steady.
Yeah.
That looks nice. We're about to leave, but I'm just chilling on the hammock while everybody just packs up. So while I'm here, I wanted to tell you guys, there's this kombucha back there that I got. It is so good. I've never tried the brand before, but like I love it and I definitely want to get more once we get back to LA. It's like the super greens flavor from Health Aid. Totally amazing, highly recommend. Even Ollie loved it, and like he's not really a kombucha person, but now he is.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
Don't lie.
Don't lie.
He loves it. Anywho, it is now raining, so I'm about to leave because I'm not trying to get wet. I'll see you all next time. Bye!
This